Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English fluency lesson. Now, today we are doing appointments, super appointments. And if you noticed, my voice sounds a little bit funny. I guess I'm sick. Who knows? Maybe I should make an appointment too and go visit a doctor. Who knows, right? But rain or shine, I am here for you. Let's take a look at our first sentence, which is I'd like to make an appointment for tomorrow. So we're giving lots of detail in this sentence. It's very important that we say it correctly. So let's break this down. Repeat after me. Well, don't repeat after me yet. Wait till we break it down. Let's make it smooth. That's what I want to say. Let's make it smooth. I'd, see, my tongue comes up for that D, but I don't make the D. I go right into that L. I'd like to. I'd like to make. That's it. I'd like to make what? So here's our break. I'd like to make an. We're going to blend the article and the word together. An apple. An appoint. An appoint. Come up for that T, but we don't make it. An appointment. An appointment. That's it. I'd like to make an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment. Where? Oh, no. How? Where? When? When? For tomorrow. We're giving a detail about time, which means we enunciate each word. Okay? So, for tomorrow. For tomorrow. Let's put it all together. Repeat after me. I'd like to make an appointment for tomorrow. I'd like to make an appointment for tomorrow. Do you see how that speed changes? Da-da-da-da-da-da, for tomorrow. It has to jump out. We're making appointments, which means time is important. We need to make sure it's very clear when something's happening. An appointment, right? So let's move on to sentence number 2. Can I schedule a meeting for next week? Okay, so we have time that we're going to have to enunciate as well. So let's blend all this together. I said it right this time. Let's blend it together. Can I what? Can I make a J sound, right? You heard me right. Make a J. That D becomes a J. Can I schedule? Jule. Like you'll, jewel. Can I schedule what? Can I schedule a meeting? We're not changing that vibration. We're connecting them. A meeting. Can I schedule a meeting? When all blended together, right? Can I schedule a meeting when? For next week. We enunciate those. We make them stand out. Repeat after me. Can I schedule a meeting for next week? Why not, right? Can I schedule a meeting for next week? You could change the time, obviously. Can I schedule a meeting for tomorrow? Can I schedule a meeting for next week at 5? We could add more detail, right? Very specific. It's up to you. Let's move on to our third sentence before I lose my voice. But I'm here for you. What time works best for you? What time works best for you? Okay, let's smooth this out. What time? 2 T's, 1. Like I say all the time, right? We throw away double sounds. What time? What time? What time? Now my mouth closed for that M. Time. And a W is a closed mouth anyways, where we just load air. What time were? What time were? Were. Okay? So when we open our mouth, we're going into that O. What time works for you? Not works for you. What time works? What time works best? What time works best for you? So now we're not slowing down for time. We're slowing down for a specific person. So we're enunciating that part. We're speaking very clearly about who. So what time works best for you? It makes the person we're talking to more important. It makes them feel more important. It is a very effective communication tool for you. All right. So repeat after me. What time works best for you? I sound like I'm sincere, right? Because I stopped specifically for you. What time works best for you? Of course, I could say what time works best for you, but it sounds like I'm in a hurry and you're not as important. But if I say what time works best for you are now more important. You feel like I care about you. So the way we say things changes meaning, even if it's not intentional. So be careful. Let's take a look at our fourth sentence, which is I'm available in the afternoon. So we have time. Let's smooth it out. I'm, uh, I'm of, I'm of a, I'm of a, hey, I'm available, I'm available, I'm available. Beautiful. I'm available when? In the afternoon. We're going to keep the same. I was kidding. Don't do that. I'm available in the afternoon. I'm available. I'm available. All connected. In the afternoon. Do. Okay? So repeat after me. I'm available in the afternoon. Hey, when are you available? Oh, I'm available in the afternoon for that meeting, for that appointment. Let's take a look at sentence number 5, which is I'd like to confirm our appointment for 10 a.m. We're being very specific, so we're going to make things very clear. Let's smooth this out and see what's the most important. I like. I like to. I like to. No, not to. We're going to change to tuh. I'd like to confirm. Tuh. See how it kind of rhymes? To doesn't work. I'd like to confirm. I'd like to confirm. Sounds better, right? I'd like to confirm what? Our appointment. Our appointment. Our appointment. Our appointment. I'd like to confirm our appointment when? For 10 a.m. That's how clean it needs to be. For 10 a.m. So let's put it all together. Repeat after me. I'd like to confirm our appointment for 10 a.m. There's no way the person listening is going to get confused about anything I just asked. Hey, hey, no, I don't want to say, hey, I'm on the phone, right? I'd like to confirm our appointment for 10 a.m. And that person's like, appointment, 10 a.m. See, it's very clear for the listener. I'd like to confirm our appointment, our appointment, blend it nice. I'd like to confirm our appointment for 10 a.m. Nice. Moving on to 6. Wow, we got through this pretty quick, I think. Cool. Our sixth. I'm really struggling with my voice today. Our sixth sentence is, can we reschedule ooh, for another day? Oh, I can't make that appointment. I can't make that meeting. There's a problem. Let's smooth this answer out or this question out. Let's smooth it out. Can we? Can just close your mouth, right? Can we? Can we re can we reschedule? Can we reschedule? Can we reschedule? Jule, just like before. Schedule, reschedule. Can we reschedule what? For another day. Talking about time, we break it down. Can we reschedule for another day? Repeat after me. Can we reschedule for another day? It's a question, so our tone goes up. Can we reschedule for another day? Thank you so much. Some things came up. I just can't make it. I'm so happy we can reschedule for another day. I appreciate that. And I appreciate you sticking it out with me with my funny voice. It's been a day. Now, hopefully, I will be much better for the next lesson where we talk about making comparisons. Hey, do I sound better next time? Comparison. Okay, I will see you for the next lesson. You're awesome, and I appreciate you every time we talk. Goodbye.